In this session, we will go into discuss the topics of import concept. Okay, import. So, what is meant by import is we are we are adding some set of code to this Python console using import function. Sometimes it is difficult to write some lines of codes, or it is difficult to write some 100 lines of code to this Python shell now, just simply to open up the web page. So that's why we are importing the function. So before importing the function, what we have to do is I already installed some of the functions. So let me show you how to install any package. So we have to install the package. Just you have to go to command prompt. You have to search for command prompt, and you have to look up for the C drive where the Python is installed. Okay, if the Python is installed, you have to go to the D drive. In the D drive, if the Python is installed in the D drive, then you have to go to the D drive. Okay, so in order to install any package, just you have to right click and then install. Okay, then module name. Okay, say suppose text to graph. Okay, text to graph is a module which performs some certain operation. I will explain. So just if you hit enter, if it is available, let me close this thing. Install text to graph. So text to graph is a module. So if I hit enter, if it is present, then it will shows to me. If it is not present in the Python console, then it will installs. It is saying that it is not matched. Okay, let it be. File install pandas. As the unknown command may be install install pandas. If install pandas. Okay, I made a mistake. So it is pandas is already installed. So that's why it is showing that the pandas packages evap is a package that is already installed in this Python console. So I'm importing that import text graph as W. Okay, I'm importing the text graph WRA. Okay, as the W. So the text graph console is package is installed. So I'm taking some text. Okay, like maybe random text. You can copy the text also to check that the functionality. So suppose it's a text. So using this text graph, what we can do is we can adjust the width of the text. Sorry, adjust the. We can grab the text. Okay. Suppose I need to display only first 10 characters like a page. So then what I have to do? I have to take the command. Okay. I have to call upon text to wrap, or else I took W now here. Just write W and press dot. Wait for a while. Then you will get wrap, intended, shortened, like that. Comments will get. Okay. So W wrap. Which thing I have to wrap? I have to wrap the text which is present in the variable called a. Okay. So I need to specify the width here. Okay. So there is no okay. Width lady ph. So I'm taking the width up to 10 characters. So if I hit enter, I'm getting like this. Okay. So only initial 10 characters are appeared as a index format, but it's not what I want. So, but I will modify this thing w dot fill. Okay, so I'm filling the with 10 characters. I'm filling the this text with the with the what we say with the width. Sorry, it's not document with width 10. Okay, so if I hit enter, so I'm getting from 0 to 1 characters, 0 to 10 characters as a textbook format. So suppose we wrote some text now, irrespective of commas and full stop, but we have to specify in this format as a wrapper format. So then we have to use this fill option. Or else if you are interested to convert that text into list format, you can use wrap functionality. Okay, there is two functionality, wrap and width. Okay, you can check for the remaining aspects also. Decenter, shorten. So you can choose the shorten option also. Okay, so it is asking the text and width and keywords. Okay, so but and simply writing so a comma width equals to 10. Okay, so comma I have to mention the keywords. So I'm taking star star uh, what I have to say ASDF. Okay, let's run this line. See what will happen. It is not executing. So I have to go back. It is saying that it is in invalid syntax. Okay. So it's not coming down. Leave it. So using this functionality, we can increase the width of the text as well. We can increase and decrease the text wrapping as well. Okay, so this is the functionality of wrapping text. Okay, so if you need remaining aspects like text wrapper, okay, decenter, indent, okay, just click the uh, bracket braces, open braces, then it will gives a suggestion that it must be 70 and initial intent and subsequent intent. Why I'm not saying this? It's not usable for us right now. Okay. In some cases it is use of your. We have to use. We have to import this wrapping text wrap function. So suppose we are yeah, what we say the context text wrap is suitable. Okay, and 5 by 7. So some okay. Um, so what I'm interested to do by 7 uh, up to 20 variables. Okay, just I'm interested to count the number of. It's not common. What we hope we say just copy this thing. Just copy this thing and assign to the variable equals to control B. Okay, just check this thing. So it's not giving the length, but we can mention this thing into string format equals to So the string length is 16 variables long, but I'm interested to show the variable length, show the floating value length up to 20 variables or 30 variables. Okay, why? Because we are doing some precision calculations. At that time we need exact values or more number of digits we need. So then what we have to do? So we have to import from decimal import star. Okay, star is nothing but um, it's a formatter. No? We cannot specify what is this star indicates. Okay, so from the decimal we are importing the star package. Okay, there is a package called decimal. In that package we are importing the star. Okay, okay, and what I'm doing is to get context. Context. Okay, so get context. Oh, okay, dot. So I have to open and close the package. So I need to define the precision value here. Okay, so precision nothing but how many number of digits you are required. So I need 30 digits. Okay, so after defining the precision value, so if you write 5 by 7, what you will get? You will get the same value. But if you write like this, decimal 5 divided by decimal 7. Okay, so if you hit enter, okay, so the decimal uh, corresponds to the 30 digit number. Okay, it corresponds to the 30 digit number. Okay. Just you can copy this thing and just copy this thing. If you have any doubts, just copy this thing, copy this thing, and assign to the variable called here with the quotation mark and check for the length. Check for A. Okay, so it is 30. It is showing that the number of digits present in the A variable is 30. Likewise, you can check for you can take the precision value as per your convenience. Okay, you can take 50 also. Just you have to copy this thing. Okay, paste this thing. So you will get 40 digits, 50 digits. Okay, like this we can get the precise values up to how many digits we are required. We can calculate. Okay, so this is the precision concept. Another concept is it's not a big deal, but there is a poem that is recited in the Python. Okay, it's called the Gen of the Python. It doesn't matter, just to show you. It doesn't make any sense. Okay, it doesn't make any sense. If you are interested, then read this thing. Namespace R1 Hong Kong. Let's do one more thing. Let's do more of those. Okay. So we come. Then what is the next package? Import. So what have to import? Win sound. Win sound. Windows sound. Okay. As W. As E. It's your wish. Okay, so why I'm doing like H like that, instead of writing win sound, I can call up the package with the name called H. Okay, so that's why I'm writing H. Okay, so what it will do, it will do it will create some sound. Okay, how to use this function? I will show you. Frequency. Okay, I'm taking the frequency of say suppose it's better to write in some new file so that we can alter the changes. Or we can sound. Okay. So enter as H. In this program, I'm considering wind sound as H. Okay. I'm taking some frequency for as 100 and some duration. And I will have to specify the duration. Okay. So I will take a for loop for volume range 0, 10. What I have to do? So H dot. Why? Because I mentioned the wind sound as H now. You can call that function as H dot. H dot E. Okay. So with the say here. So it is asking for frequency and duration. Okay. So I'm writing for each frequency, comma, duration. Okay. So enter. So what I have to do after that? I have to increase the frequency for let's increase to 100. Duration must be increased to 50. Okay. So let's run this program. Okay, it's a wind sound. Okay, some sound came. Let's change this sound to some 200 and duration to some 100 and this range to some 20 so that we can see the differences. Okay, just listen the what is happening here is frequency is continuously changing after every iteration. Okay, after every iteration, the frequency, I think it's 200 now. After every iteration, what happening? That frequency is changing. That frequency is increasing, not changing. Frequency and duration is increasing. Okay. It is giving it's giving very disturbance sound. Okay, so sorry for the disturb. It's my mistake. Okay, like that we can run the program. Okay, so if you heard the voices, I can reduce this thing to 100, this thing to duration to 10, this duration to 50, frequency to 50, writing this as 50 and duration as 10. If I write this, run this. Okay, wait. So the time for every beat that there is some time gap which we are unable to distinguish. So if you are interested, you can increase the duration, then run the program. As the frequency is less now, so I think okay, like that we can create the sounds. Okay, so like that we can create the sounds and we can create the patterns also as well in the sounds. Okay, so this is the functionality of bin with the functionality of bin sound. So I have to run this again. Okay. So what I'm doing is I interested to um, mm, comma some written with some. So I'm not getting that sound. So just I'm showing up the sound using in sound. Okay. Sometimes if we made any mistake, we will get the sound now. Import bin sound as H. Okay. So what I will use H dot play play sound. Okay. What is the sound? What is the file name of the sound? Audio means uh, play sound. I think it is audio. H A C K S audio has dot play. Okay. Comma. We have to mention the function package here dot csnd snd snd underscore file name h dot snd dot file name. Okay, if I hit enter, I got an error. So I mistakenly write two H's. So this sound we will get after executing this line. We will get this sound. Okay, I'm removing this T. H dot play sound dot play. Let's write win sound in small letters. Win sound dot play sound. But I'm not getting now. It is not. Just simply import win sound. Okay, win sound. Okay, I'm directly writing win sound dot in capital letters play sound. Okay, and opening the brackets and mentioning the code file name EU audio hacks dot wave file. It is a wave file. I'm taking comma the mentioning sound dot s sound dot snd snd file. Okay, so if I hit enter, I got some sound now. So by how I got that sound is this file name audiohacks.wave is already present in my laptop. Okay, for every laptop you will have this audiohacks.wave. Okay, it's a default file name now. It's a default sound. So that's why we got the output. If I hit enter, okay, so it is executing. Okay, so this instead of if you want to play any song, then the song must be present in the C drive. Song must be present in the C drive. And if you simply mention that song name along with the um, uh, uh, type, whether it is wave or whether it is what we say MP3 or MP4, it doesn't matter. If you mention the file name along with the type, then sound will be played. That sound will be played. Okay. So another thing is mm, I'm unable to get this thing. Why? Because uh, there is a package called people install, but it's not installing. PIPUG, but by portal GUI. It's not installing for the first case. If it installs, okay, it is installing. If you don't have any package, then simply type pip install pyauto GUI. Okay, so what will do pyauto GUI? I will show you. So it's a typewriting application where we can uh, change the colors of the text. Okay, but it takes some time. So I'm closing this thing and we can go for next function, next input function. It's not. So suppose we need to open a map, okay, in the Python. So we have we have the package called Folium. To do so, we have the package called Folium. It is loading, so that's why it takes some time. Folium will create a map for us. We have to mention the location and we have to mention the zoom parameter and we have to mention the title. Okay, so I'm taking equals to what whatever right folium. Okay, folium dot. So if you wait for a while, it will ask various things: color line, color map, figure, icon, like this. So go for map. Okay, so what it will ask? It will ask for location. You have to mention all these parameters. Sometimes default values will, mention if you don't mention some values, default values will take. It will indent the default values. Okay, so what we have to mention here? I have to mention location. Okay, I have to mention location. Why? Because without location, map will not open. So in order to mention the location, we have to specify that location in the brackets in the list format. It's not in the brackets. We have to mention in list format. So 27.1767. Okay, comma. So it is the longitude value and latitude value is 18.00 from 81. Okay, so I'm taking out the comma. Okay, so underscore str June starts equals to 5. Okay, uh, I'm taking comma again and we have to mention the title. TITLE title equals to map 1. Why? Because I already created map. Okay, it doesn't matter. So I'm writing map here. as a title. So if I hit enter, so map is created. So in order to see the map, I have to see the map first. Okay. So what I have to do? Folium dot save. Okay. FOLIUM. Folium dot map dot. We have to save the file. HTML format. Map dot HTML. Okay. So attribute is error. Map folium dot map is not shown the thing what we have to do. We have to copy this thing. Okay, we have to paste this thing. I think it's not a folium map. So it is the variable which where we are saved. It's a variable. We dot save. We dot save. We created a map for the variable called a. So then we have to save the variable the called a. Okay. Just go for pick and write map dot html. If you can directly search in the command prompt as well. So if you hit enter, then here of that particular coordinates, there is no coordinates in this map. There is a zoom option here. Okay, zoom in, zoom out option. Press. So why don't we take location? Why don't we change the variables? So if we change the variables, maybe we can get some value. So then what we have to do? We have to copy this thing. We have to paste this thing. We have to change the locations 97. This is some 87. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm again saving map.select with the same name. It will rewrite. It doesn't give any error. It will rewrite. Okay. So go to command prompt and open map.html. So if we hit enter, we have to get different location right now. Okay. I think we got different location. We got different location compared to this map. Okay. Okay. But with the current coordinates, it is showing somewhere here. Okay. The location is showed somewhere here. Okay. Like this, we can use the map functionality. Okay. Like this, we can use the map functionality. So just we have to mention the location. Just we have to mention the location. And what about this running setup completed? It's completed. Okay, it is also already successfully installed. Py.gui is already successfully. I'm getting some phone. Wait a minute, no? Let me open up this file. So control is key. So import another function is import file auto GUI. Okay, file auto GUI graphic user interface. So you can write by auto GUI dot. If you take up the dot, you have to get some values now, but you are not getting. So just you make this thing and write here what by auto GUI. Okay. So auto GUI consists of all these packages. Okay. So we can call up these packages also. Okay. So by whenever you first imported Python any package, just check the dot and wait for the commands. Okay, you will see some inside position like that. So I'm taking up the position. Okay, and enter it. So if I enter, I got something. What I got? So x-axis is 216, y-axis is 612. So if I copy this thing, okay, so paste this thing. What I will get? I got 112,603. Again, if I hit enter, I got same value. If I hit enter, I'm getting the same value. Why I'm getting the same value? Because my cursor is not moved yet. If the cursor is moved, then I will get different values. Okay. If the cursor is slightly moved, I will get different values. It indicates that it specifies the position of x-axis and y-axis of my cursor. Okay. It specifies the location of my cursor. Okay. Next, auto GUI. Auto GUI dot size. There is a variable called size. What it will do? Width and height. It will give the value of width and height of what? So in order to know the thing, just copy this thing and paste this thing and hit enter. You are getting the same value irrespective of cursor movement. Okay. So what it's indicating? It is indicating the resolution of my screen. Okay, width is 3066 and height is 768. So it is the resolution of my laptop. Okay, it will not change even though my cursor is moving. Okay, we can do, I think so, by YouTube auto GUI dot to mode. So there is a function called mode. Okay, so 100 comma 50. Okay, and I have to specify the duration. Okay, duration equals to 1. Let's say 2. Okay, so what will happens invalid sentence? This thing that it is an invalid sentence. So what is why it is invalid sentence? I have to mention the comma. Okay, I have to mention the comma. Okay, if I hit enter, my cursor is moving to the top. Okay, if I take 150 comma 200 duration, let's say 3 seconds. Again, I'm getting error. Copy and paste. Okay, I'm taking, say suppose 200, say suppose 150, and duration will be 3. So if I take enter, it is moving to upward direction. Cursor is moving to upward direction. It depends depends upon the rows and column values. It depends upon row and column values. Okay, so if I hit enter, so the cursor is moving to the left side. If you observe, the cursor is present here. So like this, you can modify the cursor also. Move the physical location of the cursor also. Okay. So another by auto dot click. There is a function called click. Okay. So we have to mention the coordinates here in order to take up the clicks. Give the clicks x equals to 50 and y equals to 100, comma. So clicks, how many clicks? So suppose to, okay. So if I hit enter, it's gone to the top and it's it made a right click here. Okay. Even if you made a right click, you will get something. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm copying this thing, Control C, I will paste here. I will take up the coordinates to 150 and the clicks will be 3. There is no change. There is no okay, like that we can use. And another concept is by using dot type right. Okay, type right. So we have to mention in curly brackets and we have to mention the things which you are interested in quotations. A comma B comma C comma, okay, leave that. So comma left if if also if, okay, it doesn't matter if now to specify the interval. Now to specify the interval using comma function, interval equals to 1. So let's see what will happen. A, B, C, okay, ABC. Only ABC is printed. If it's not printed, okay. So if it's not a text, no, it is a conditional statement. So that's why it is not printing. So if you want to print any variable, let's say left, okay, space blank space blank space, okay, comma right, okay. If you want to see A, B, C, cursor is moved to left, cursor is moved to right, okay. Blank space is nothing but it will provide a blank space. It will provide a blank space where you can find out if you write any blank space in between ABC, then you can identify. Control C and Control V. Okay, blank space. So if it is, I will take it out. A, B, space, space it is in phone, but it waited, it's waited sometime. Okay, so like that we can do using pi r to GUI. Okay, so we already saw the Google Map concept. Okay, another import function. What to discuss the import function? Import date time. Date time. Suppose we want to know the current date and time. Okay, so date time dot. If you press dot, you will wait for a while. You will get date time function. Okay, so if you hit enter, you will get an error. Okay, so date time dot. Why we are getting error is nothing but it is asking to fulfill the year. Here in the date time you have to mention the year. So but I need the date time of current time. Okay, so if I hit enter, I will get some 2021 12 7 14 some date time I got, but it takes me to read, but it getting difficult enough. So just print this one, print underscore. So if you print like if you print the value, you will get 2021 12th month 7th, and this is the time. Okay, 4 seconds, and this is the fractional time. This is the fractional time. Okay, so this fractional time is very useful in the databases, not in regular activity, but in databases it is very useful. Okay, like this we can call up the current dated time. Or else if you are interested to mention the date time, then you have to copy this thing, you have to paste this thing, and you have to mention the each and everything parameter. 2007. Okay, so it's not need to specify in quotations. uh, 1 comma first month, fourth time, some 12 comma, some 5 comma, and 4 comma, some 1 4 0 2, like this. So if I hit enter, I got some value, but it's difficult to read them now. So just hit enter, you will get the time with that corresponding values. 2007 first and fourth date, time is 12/5/03 0 some time we got. Okay, so like this we can use the import functions. So another import function is tqdn. Okay, so import tqdn. So what it will do, so I will show you. Sometimes whether it is running or not we don't know, whether any program is running or executing is not, we don't know. So if we get any percentage like the 10 20 30% like that, then we can conclude that it takes some time, like that. I in reach, I in tq dn, we have to mention the range of 10. Okay, so if we hit enter, it is giving syntax error. So why? Because we have to mention primary parameters also, and that is tqdn from tqdn, or else import tqdn. Okay, and I have to import time function as well. Okay, then what I have to do? Going to mention the range. What is the range? 10. invalid syntax. Got for in range, INTQD, and keep for INTQD. So what we have to do? I have to mention the time speed 0.12, 0.5, let's say 0.5. So if I run this program, I got an error. Module is not callable. Which module is not callable? Uh, this module is not callable. Module from TQDM import QDM. Okay, so import type. Okay, for QDM, I have to mention the range of time. So I have to give time sleep of some 0. Like this. Okay. So we are getting some percentages. We are getting some percentages. Okay. For the sake of understanding, I'm copying this thing. I'm pasting this in a program. So here I have to paste this thing. But go from DQDM import DQDM. Okay. And import time mapping. Okay. So if I run this thing, what I will get? I'm getting some percentages in a list format. Okay, I'm getting some percentages in a list format. Okay, so like this we can use the function. It is just introduction for you. Why? Because we as if you move further, we can use this very deeply. If we are needed this one, if we are needed this one, you have to use uh, deliberately. DQ dot. If you wait for the list of index, but we are not getting now. So wait is TQDM dot. It is saying the clear close display format GitLog water pointers. Okay, set the description string log page. You will get a lot of functionalities. It's up to you how we can choose. Okay, and and another thing is we have to open up the text file. Okay, suppose we want to open up the text file which is on the desktop. Where is my desktop? Desktop HTML. Okay, let's rename this one HTML now. So just try to open the file. So how to open the file? Okay, so take up the variable called a equals to open. Just take up the brackets. HTML. What is that thing? HTML dot txt. You have to mention in quotations. comma A. So if I hit enter, I will get why? Because it must contain in the C drive. Must contain in the C drive. What will do? Open it. I will take capital C colon backslash. If I wait for a while, C colon okay. There is a book. There is a CSV file called book. Okay. So I'm entering. I'm clicking. So before executing this operation, so I'm assigning to the variable called it. If I hit enter, it is saying that it is a syntax error. So just wait for a while. I will copy this function. I will paste this one. I will take some R here. Open variable. OP variable. So I will take comma. So it's still not opening. It is only suitable to open the text files now. It is only simply suitable for opening text files, but it is in CSV format now, so that's why it is not opening. If it is an control, if it is what we say HTML file, HTML.txt, txt quotation comma a. I'm going to open. If I enter, so if I check the value for I didn't find nothing. But because this file is open right now. Okay, this file html.txt is open. Okay, let me open for you. I'm opening the file. So what it saying? There is a text related to HTML. There is a video record folder. Okay, sample file information which this information is which outside displayed. Okay, and just copy I just got the sentence and I'm saving this file. Okay, I'm saving this file. I'm opening my Python shell. What I have to do, I have to write now. I will write op.writ. Okay, so since HTML file is open, I can write this thing. Okay, so if I hit enter, it is saying that it is some 20. So let's open that file. Okay, I wrote this file. So in order to do this thing, you have to close the file now. You have to close the thing. Okay, copy dot info history. to close that file. It is not working. Not the text file. Okay. Then what about print function? In order to run the print function, again we have to open the file. Control C and Control V. Okay. So reading that file using print function. So what I have to do, print op dot read underscore. Okay. So if I hit enter, what I will get? I'm not getting it. Uh, So what is the mistake here? I have to take that form and I have to open the format in print mode, not in the write mode. Control C, Control V, the read mode. We hit enter, op dot read. I can write this thing. Okay, like that we can open the file and we can write the file. If you want to check the HTML of txt, dot txt, I think it is stored in C nano, C drive. Okay, so I think it is stored in C drive. Okay, you can create a file, create a text file here using op.open. Close the file using op.close, and you can write the any syntax or any string using op.write. Okay, and you can print the file also, and you can print that file as well. Okay, so this is how we can read the files, text files. Okay, so in the in order to open one file, what we have to do, we have to write doc. Let me try that one also for you. Control C, Control V. Okay, so enter. Okay, it's open. So I'm writing this thing. Copy, paste, copy dot close. I close the file. I'm looking CHT dot document file in the center. But it will take some time, I think. Why? Because it has to open with the WPS office in my laptop, or else it has to open with HTML dot document. It will take some time. HTML file, WPS office will take some time. Large application. Okay, like this we can write the program. We can what is it? We can create the text files, any files, whatever our need. Using we can according to that functionality, we can use the thing. Another It's not open native from GTTS. Import GTTF. It is actually Google text to speech translator, but it's not loading, saying that there's some error. If I look up for that Google text to text page, it's not installing as well. Google is already satisfied. So what are the packages? Where are the packages? Request and see where are the packages? Satisfied local set packages. Kurma. Yeah. Okay. What will do? We will import that thing directly. Import G. Okay. Okay. We done. Okay. It's important. So what I have to do? I will take up some ASD equals to GTT is dog. So I got two things now, GTTS and GTTS. Yeah. If you open up the package, I'm not getting anything. If I put it out, you get some GTTS. If I open up the brackets, it is asking to enter the text. This is the sample text to hear the voice. Okay. If I hit enter, okay, it is taken. ASD dot save. I have to save this file now. I have to keep the file name as hello dot formatting. Either you can save in WAV format. Okay. There are a lot of files present. MP3. I think it is saved. So let's go to here hello dot MP3. If I hit enter, if it is present in C drive, it will opens. Okay, like this, we can use the Google text to speech conversion. Okay, text to speech conversion we can use. We have to first install the Google Translator, and we have to type the what we say the thing on the PDF file. Okay, then we can simply we can convert the thing into MP3 format. So if you are interested, what you will do, you suppose you want to reach what we say. Suppose you want to listen some sentences. So just you have to copy that thing and you have to mention here and you have to mention the you have to mention the file name along with the format. Okay, then just go to what we say command prompt and open up the file and listen the audio. It's up to you. Okay, and as well as small value things, it's up to you. Audio, so whether it will run or not, I don't know. But important request. Okay, I'm taking u equals to in quotations. I'm pasting this thing. Okay, but bit scrapping will not happen with this in this what we say index. Okay. Now what we'll do? Some r equals to we have to request where to request dot get from the URL. We have to get the request from the URL. Okay. After that is equals to beautiful is row u. But if it is not run, then what we have to do? It's not functioning now. Beautiful so it's not functioning to be clearly to say. Okay, let it be or dot or dot content. Okay, so comma HTML. So this line indicates that what is meant by scanning the web page and we are taking some elements from the web page. In order to do that with scrapping, okay, we have to write the parser in this criteria. So if I hit enter, I'm getting error. Okay, I'm getting error. So beautiful soup is not defined. So if it is not defined, then we cannot do anything. Okay, that's this web scraping data. So till now, you do you have any doubts? Okay, okay, Nana. What